Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Forex Technical Market Update for September 8th, 2016. It's Thursday, and we're going to continue our theme this week of looking at pivot points. Uh, the chart ahead of us, or that we have in front of us, is the US dollar index, the broader US dollar index. And taking a look at the 4-hour chart, we see that we're coming up on the monthly pivot points. This is a monthly. My chart, the pivot points are automatically drawn on it. So we have the monthly pivot point here. We have a weekly support too. And this is a confluence of resistance or support areas. So this is definitely something to look out for a potential bottoming in the US dollar index. And what we have to do is get a buy signal here. This is not to say that the market definitely will turn around at this point, but we're looking for a buy signal somewhere in this, around this monthly pivot point area. If this pivot point fails, the next area of support comes in at this 9400 level. Now let's take a look at the euro. And as you see, euro US dollar coming up into its monthly pivot point. We have a weekly R2 at 113.04, a monthly R1 at 113.33. We're currently trading at 113.09. So look for this area here, and we have a previous high of 113.50. So look at this area here for potential resistance in the euro, and that is coinciding with the monthly S1 on the US dollar index. Now, on Tuesday, we spoke about the monthly resistance level in the British pound. I stated that we had two things in the British pound, or three things. We had a prior area of resistance, and what we did was we drew that line, and this was before the market turned around. We drew the resistance line. I said that the market is coming into an area of monthly resistance. The market came up into that area, and what I said is that we should look for a sell signal, which happened around here. So we have, ever since that has occurred, the market went down approximately 100 pips for the British pound versus the US dollar. So that is the power of these pivot points. You look at the pivot points, look where they are coming up. When the market or when you get a sell signal, that could be a potential trade in this market. So that is a demonstration of the power of pivot points, and we could be seeing the same thing occur here in the euro. Naturally, we'll have to see a sell signal occur before you take action on any of these signals. You want to see a bearish candlestick formation, because oftentimes what can happen is the market just blows through these pivot points and continues going up. So we want to see some evidence that selling is taking place. Okay, so that is what we're looking out for today. The market is still flirting with this 113.33 area, and just remember, these pivot points are not exact areas, these are regions. So the market could go up to 113.60, it could turn around somewhere right here. So just look for resistance in this entire region. Okay, so that's it for the update today. Remember, if you want some more information about this trading method, how to trend trade, sign up for the webinar. It's definitely well worth your time. The link for the webinar is below this video. So I look forward to seeing you on the webinar. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.